Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you where you can catch the European bee eater in Heartopia. So guys, this is one of the birds in Heartopia. So let me show you my bird watching diary. I've just catched this European bee eater and I'm going to show you where you can catch this bird. It's from the Anen Mountain Lake Shore, and you can catch this bird only during the rainy weather and also the rainbow event. Okay, this is how the bird looks like. It's a colorful, and if you want to meet this bird, make sure that you go to the Anen Mountain Lake Shore in rainy days or rainbow event. And this is the location, Anen Mountain Lake Shore. And okay guys, that's where you can catch the that's where you can capture or find the European bee eater in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.